Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I want to answer the question, what size gutter do I need for a tile roof? So if you have a beautiful flat concrete tile roof, or you have a pretty barrel tile roof on your Mediterranean style home, what you might not realize is when you get that thing re-roofed, if you are being sold on 6-inch seamless gutter, that might seem like substantial, like boom, like 6-inch gutter, it's not enough. Here's why. On a tile roof, the tile itself sticks out past the edge of the fascia board, which is the end of the roof. The tile actually sticks out past it, or at least it's supposed to in a proper installation. Now, on a lot of tile roofs, you also have what's called slanted fascia, which means that if you were to look at perfectly level at the edge of the roof, it doesn't look like this, it looks like this, which means that fascia board is slanted, which means that gutter will actually sit down and back and even closer in to the edge of that tile roof. So between the overhang and that slanted fascia, you get a very little narrow gap of that gutter that can actually catch the water as it cascades over. If you're in Florida and you have a big house with a tile roof, you're gonna have water just rushing down that roof, and if it just goes right off and it misses the gutter, what the hell is the point of having the gutter on there? So the point is, use 7-inch gutter, 7-inch seamless gutter on your tile roofs. That's the moral of the story. That's the simple point here is you need 7-inch gutter on a tile roof. So if you're being sold 6-inch gutter on a tile roof, question it, ask them to actually hold it up to the roof, pour water down the roof with a hose, test it, make sure that you are actually going to catch the water, because obviously taking the 6-inch down and replacing it with 7-inch is a costly affair, because then you're paying for the gutter twice. It's already expensive. It's probably a big roof, so it's probably a lot of gutter. So that said, be sure you know what you're getting on there. Use 7-inch gutter on a tile roof. It's a great rule of thumb to live by. I know that's a random thing, but very important to you if you have a tile roof. So thank you for watching. If you got value out of this vid, hit the subscribe button below. I appreciate your attention, and I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.